Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Bri, and if you're not, welcome back. So, it has been quite some time, a lot longer than I wanted to, but I decided to finally pick up the camera and just kind of vlog today to kind of put me back into being in front of the camera, because it's been probably like a month, and I do like to upload consistently, like every week. But as you guys all know, we are in quarantine, and I don't want to talk about it like too much, because that's literally like all people talk about right now, which I get because that's what's going on. But I don't want to like make that the focus of this video. I just want to quickly mention that's pretty much why I've been gone, which I have a lot of time on my hands, so I shouldn't have been gone for that long. But with everything going on, it's very sad and very depressing. So I haven't like been in the mood to like sit in front of a camera and act like I'm happy when I'm really not, which sounds bad. Like, I'm trying so hard to stay positive. I'm also like trying to kind of tell myself, you know, everything happens for a reason. God is doing this to kind of make everyone appreciate what they have, because you can literally, in the blink of an eye, everything can be gone. Your loved ones, your job, everything that you thought was important can be gone just like that. And I'm trying to tell myself God is teaching us a major lesson by this, but it's still hard to like keep positive and keep smiling. I'm trying, but it's very hard. My arm was getting tired. But so pretty much I have not been filming. I have tons of video ideas. I have all the time in the world right now to film videos, so I should be filming. But every time I would say, okay, today's the day I'm finally gonna sit down, I'm gonna film a video, I would just get more bad news, or I would go check like my news app. They would just kind of like kill my mood and like make me fall into like sadness again. So I kept putting it off. But finally today I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do a kind of vlog style. Obviously we're here at home, so I'm just gonna ease my way back by doing a little quick vlog, and then hopefully this will motivate me to do like actual videos. Before we got quarantined, I actually ordered some clothes. I made an order from Boohoo and an order from Fashion Nova, and I was going to record that like a try on haul. So I have those videos to film. The clothes have just been there. When we first got like on like shut down, I obviously like have the time to do it, but I was just like, it was just so weird. Like, you know, people are losing their jobs. I'm not really working, so it's just, I was like, really, like a try on haul, you're gonna try on clothes and recommend clothes to people and like link it, and I just like couldn't like put myself to film that. So, but now I'm just like, you know what, I made those purchases before this all happened, like who would have thought. So I will film them eventually. I'm just like trying to get back into being on camera and acting happy, and obviously like I don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm happy that me and my family, like, we're all safe. We're not sick. We're not, you know, very like, we're not going through anything like extremely hard, but it's just sad to know, like, I haven't seen my parents in weeks. It was my grandma's birthday. We couldn't get together. Just like not being able to see your family, not being able to get together, not being able to like live your normal life even though you're not sick, and not only just living your normal life, but just seeing everything going on in the world. Like, it's seeing like everything that's happening. I don't want to get into details because we already know what's happening, but seeing that, like, it just brings you down. So it was very hard for me. It's hard for me to like sit here on camera and act like everything's good and happy and like record a try on haul for you guys, even though I know you guys love them. I am gonna do it eventually. I will, because obviously And you know, when I bought this clothes, I was so excited because I was like, yes, like spring and summer's coming. Like this was like my spring clothes. Like I was set, like I was ready for Easter. I have like my whole Easter outfit planned, and now there's like no Easter. So yeah, it just sucks. But so I'm probably gonna name this video like Friday date night while quarantined or something. I don't know. So our plan today, Davi's still at work. It's about 12. He should be off soon. Little update. Who is she? No, there are no videos, no pictures of me with short nails. But obviously, as we know, nail salons are not essential. But you know what? They are essential to me. So that sucks. But we're just going with press-ons right now. I actually got some like longer press-ons, see if that makes me feel better. I was going to try to do my own nails, but I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, short nails. So Davi should be home within like the next 2 hours. But today's Friday. We have stuff for drinks later. We're gonna make Moscow mules. I've been drinking so much since this quarantine, I'm not gonna lie. The last 2 weekends, I've actually been drunk to like the point that I wake up really hungover the next day. Like it's kind of bad. But it's okay, you know, we're on quarantine, like it's all right. I'm getting drunk in my own house, so we are good. I'm building up my tolerance. But no, this weekend I'm trying to like not get drunk because I don't want to wake up like that. I want to like wake up and have productive days, and I'm trying to film videos for you guys because this is enough, okay? We are in this house, but I'm going to make it very productive. Fingers crossed. So today is Friday. Davi should be home soon. Today is actually his last day working because he's supposed to get his wisdom teeth pulled out Monday, which I don't think is a good idea, but the dentist said they were good to go, so I guess he's gonna go through with it. And then he's supposed to be off work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then go back Thursday. But they actually cut his hours. I think he's just gonna be working more in the morning for a little bit. Today's Friday. Today is also Friday. Today's also, I don't know how to say it. It's not Good Friday. Today's Friday, and if you're Catholic, you don't eat meat today because we are in Lent. So today is Friday. Sunday's supposed to be Palm Sunday, and next Sunday's supposed to be Easter. Next Friday is Good Friday. But we can't go to church because churches are closed. So I'm hoping, our church in Mexico has been going live on Facebook, so I've been watching that. So hopefully on Sunday they go live for Palm Sunday. But since we can't eat meat on Fridays, I'm gonna be making aguachiles. Oh my god, I've already been talking for 10 minutes. Oh, sorry guys, you guys are probably so bored, but I haven't talked to anyone in so long. I've just been like locked up here. So we have stuff for Moscow mules. I'm gonna make aguachiles and it's gonna be delicious. I'm thinking about maybe making dessert too. I can make chocolate covered strawberries, I can make cinnamon rolls, or I can make brownies. So I don't know, I guess it just depends like how I feel after I make the aguachiles. Like if I'm bored, I'll make something, but if I'm tired, then I won't. But like the cinnamon rolls are really easy because they're just, I saw someone on YouTube like do them, so I was like, oh, I'm just gonna buy that. I went to the store the other day. But they're just like the ones you open up and put in the oven, so maybe I'll just like pop those in the oven. They're nothing crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna make aguachiles, so I will vlog a little bit of that. I just wanted to show you guys my little outfit, my little quarantine outfit. So yeah, it's just like this oversized t-shirt from Pretty Little Things. It says Pretty Little Thing on it. And in some jogger sweats. These are actually from Costco and I love them. The only bad thing is that they get like those little white balls, which I hate. And yeah, some socks. I was wearing Nike Air Forces, but why the heck would I wear shoes? Alright guys, so I already washed and butterfly cutted the shrimp. I also deveined them and added salt and pepper. And then my sauce is in here already. I already made it. Honestly, the hardest thing about this recipe is just butterfly cutting all of them and deveining them. It takes like the longest. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the sauce in. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I added half a purple onion, and now I'm going to cover it up and put it in the fridge for about 45 minutes to an hour to let it all cook in the lime juice. Okay, so usually while I have the aguachiles in the fridge for 45 minutes to an hour, that is when I go ahead and like cut everything up. So I cut cucumber. I don't put it in there because it gets like a little soggy, so I rather just like add it at the end. Tomato, I don't do much. I just do it for myself because Tavi doesn't like tomato. And avocado. And if you're wondering why I am wearing robe, because as I was mixing up the aguachiles, I was literally splattering all over myself. Mind you, I had a white shirt on. Mind you, it was brand new, literally my first time wearing it. So I like was so annoyed. So I was like, oh my god, and I put a bunch of like stain remover on it and I literally threw it into wash. So I'm like praying that the stains come out, but yeah, I just threw on my robe for now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chop all that up. I didn't really want to show you guys like exactly how to do it, but if you guys want a recipe on it, let me know in the comments below. Do like a full-blown video on the recipe. It's like super easy. Like I said, the hardest thing is deveining all the shrimp. It's not hard, but it just takes the longest. Got some good news. The stains came out the shirt. Yay! Thank God. But yeah, now, so the aguachile's been in. Tavi's home from work. He went to go take a little run. But two of my nails unstuck, so I'm about to glue them back on. And I just have this nail glue from Amazon. It is the super strong nail bond Nick 1 Professional. So yeah, say hi to the vlog. They look dark.
What are these?
That's ginger beer.
Oh.
You didn't say hi. Why? Alright you guys, here's the final result. It looks so bomb. And a Modelo.
Cheers.
And a little fire. No tomato on his. Look at my shirt, guys. The stain came off.
It's good.
It's good?
Real good. Oh, we're showing this is better. This is better. Damn, you dirtied your shirt again.
Let me see.
Quarantine light. Quarantine light.
No, focusing, hold on. Del modo más amable, para decirle unas palabras. Gusta mucho que le lleven serenata, que la despierten con un beso en las mañanas. Eso la mata. We're still at it, you guys. Oh, I know.
It's dark. You can't see nothing.
Put the light on. Where's your flashlight? Oh, we're gonna tell scary stories in the dark. Once upon a time in 2020, there's a pandemic called the coronavirus. Dun dun dun. Adiós. Te quedes grabado en mí para siempre.
How do you turn this off?
Hey guys, so we came back inside and I'm gonna end up making cinnamon rolls. So these are the flaky cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon. I don't know. I've never tried to make these. It says buttercream icing. So I guess we'll see how good they are. I just have to basically preheat the oven to 375. Right, so they just came out the oven and I put icing on them and they look so good. I could have made them more even, but it was my first time, so fire? I had to have another one because they were just so good. But anyways, you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here or continue vlogging like all weekends, but if I do end the vlog here, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, that way you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is linked down below.